Hi and welcome to this video. I forgot to intro it, so I'm introing it a couple days in, maybe just one day in. I can't remember. Anyways, I just wanted to welcome you to this week in the life. We just shot a bunch of outfits and then went thrifting. That's my grandma, if you don't already know. And now we're getting coffee, shooting another video, but mainly getting coffee. I have a virtual doctor's appointment tomorrow, so I'm taking my blood pressure and thinking about it, I'm sure my blood pressure is high. So wish me luck. How the heck does this work? Main artery. Left arm. Index must be in okay range. What is index? My finger? Why would my finger go on here? Are you gonna help me? Yeah. What's... I don't know how to do this. It's gonna be high. I'm scared.
Don't be scared. You're not even gonna see it. And then...
I don't like it.
Hey.
I think he's gonna turn it off. I'm scared. Turns out I freaked out for nothing. But now I deserve a treat, right? It is Friday. I have both dogs in my care today because my parents went to Vegas. I forgot to film my run this morning. Sorry, Shay just came running in here. Say hi to the vlog. Anyways, went for a run. I'm hanging out on the couch. Just got Shay out of her crate. I have a virtual doctor's appointment today, as I'm sure you know from the video of me freaking out. And then I'm planning to go get myself an emotional support coffee. Hold on. So that's what we have on the docket today. I'm also gonna be filming a little chat with you to just be a little more real, do a little mental health check-in, and let y'all know what's going on in my little brain. Yeah, but I'll catch up with you when I'm doing the next thing. Doctor's appointment and it's over. I am one of her healthiest patients. We're hanging out with the Babs instead of Shay. And I'm turning the TV back on because I got my brother to bring me a coffee, so I don't have to get up and go like I was planning. So that's nice. I just don't really feel great, so I thought that would be nicer for myself. All right, I have not really done much since this morning at the coffee shop with Bentley, which was a little wilder than I had expected. Excuse me. No. It was a little wilder than expected. Anyways, and I got a caffeinated beverage. Oh, help me. Hold on. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, anyways, as I was saying, I have literally been sitting on the couch because I got a caffeinated beverage because I didn't sleep well. And I just kind of forgot to order decaf, and then I was gonna go correct it, and then I was like, no, I'll give caffeine one more try. Every time I do this, I regret it, and I felt a little bit anxious and like jittery, and I know that it's the caffeine, so I'm able to walk myself out of it, but I just haven't been feeling great because of that, and that's my own fault. So I've been sitting here watching TV, and then my parents just got home from their trip to Vegas to see U2. So that's nice. I now don't have the double dog responsibility, and then tomorrow I'll probably get done the filming that I had wanted to do while they were gone, but I just wasn't up to it. So I'll do that for Instagram, and then I'll have a pretty good head start on my Instagram videos for March, which will be so nice, because I think it'll just allow me to kind of get my head back on straight and feel good about things. I don't know if you watched my last video, but if you haven't, you should watch it because that'll explain kind of where I'm at. And then I want to take time to sit down and think about my goals for YouTube and TikTok and Instagram and really flesh that out and kind of flesh out little things that I can do to start working towards those goals and building up towards those goals. And I think that will just help me feel like it's not insurmountable. I don't know if that's the right word. I feel like I need to just set little goals so I'm not feeling like I'm failing all the time, and that I'm like, oh, I'm achieving this and this, which is steps towards the overarching goal. Anyways, so that's kind of my plan for the beginning of this week, which I'll take you along for. And then I need to go get my car smog checked to renew my registration. Fun times, adulting is so fun. And then, yeah, that's pretty much kind of it on the adulting responsibilities that I have. And then any tweaks for my social media job on the post going up for the next week. Hopefully I'll get a response on Monday about that. And then I'll kind of feel like I've gone over the hurdle of stress now that we're down to just my Instagram and YouTube and TikTok, and kind of getting a head start on that for the next month, and feeling like I've been productive and have made a good chunk of videos already, because I'm filming a lot of videos. Also, I've had something in my teeth this whole time. We love that. Did I get it? Okay, I got it. Nice close-up shot of my not so white teeth. Love it. Oh, hi. Yes, I love you. I love you. She's my little bestie girl. She's not very little, but anyways, that's kind of my overall plan. We'll see what else I get up to, but that's kind of it. I just filmed 3 videos. I filmed a celebrity outfit recreation and then the final 2 Formula 1 inspired outfits for March. And then tomorrow I'll probably do more celebrity outfits, but that was all I was really feeling. And it's a hair wash day, so my hair's not the best. So I'd rather film when my hair is a little bit nicer. So I'll be going for a run later, and then we'll shower after. So I'm just doing a nice slick back bun. More information than you cared to know, but this is now the state of my room. Why do I do this to myself? I'll never know. Would you like my food? You cannot have it, I'm sorry. Sorry, cutie boy. We are going to bake some cookies today, which I used to bake all the time, and I used to get requests in college when I would come home to bring back batches of cookies by cute boys. Of course, that was the whole reason I baked them and gave it to them in the first place, was so they love it, but I'm known for making really good cookies. Like, better than most people's, because I get compliments all the time. Not to brag or anything, but I'll come back to you in a minute. Good morning, everyone. We have a little bit of a crazier day today. And by crazier day, I just mean that I have a couple actual have-to-dos today. So this morning, I'm hanging out with my dog, and then I am going to try and film some videos for Instagram. And then I'll eat lunch, and then I'm going to go pick up a friend from work, and then I literally will come back immediately from that and go into a meeting. And I had wanted to bake muffins today because I baked cookies yesterday, and you have bananas for banana muffins. Anyways, it's not like, wow, I look so old right now. Okay. Anyways, it's not like the craziest of crazy days, but it's the craziest day that I've had in a while. I actually have things that I have to do at a certain time, and they happen to be really close together, which stresses me out just a tad. But we'll be fine. It'll be good. Okay, so we went to coffee with my grandma, and I shot a look in this outfit, and then I'm now hanging out with Shay, picked up my friend, dropped her off at home, and now I am heating up my lunch, and I have a meeting in 12 minutes. So we're working, and then after that, I'm hoping to bake some muffins and do a little training with her and see where we are from there. As you saw, I went to Target, so I'm going to give you a little Target haul, and then we're going to reorganize my jewelry, because one of the items I purchased is this jewelry box. I kind of broke this current one that I'm using, and it's really full, and while we're at it, we're going to go through my jewelry and decide what I do and don't need to keep around still. The other items I got from Target were this pair of cargo pants, and then just some basics in spring colors and one in a non-spring color. I got this pink short sleeve. I got this blue tank top. I love tank tops like this, especially in the summer. Just such an easy go-to. And then the same shirt as the pink one in black and in an extra small. They didn't have extra small in the pink, but I wanted it to be tight and form-fitted like my other Target long sleeves, because I really vibe with that, and they're not cropped, which I've been leaning towards not cropped lately. Who am I? I don't know. let's get decorating. Not decorating. Organizing. What playlist do you think I should play for this? Also, how much am I going to struggle right now? Probably a lot. And also, if you're wondering, I haven't been using the mic that I was so graciously given, but my brother's friend had this mic set that he gifted me. He was going to use it, and I don't know why he decided not to use it, but my brother was asking him about mics because my brother was complaining about my audio quality, and he just decided to gift me this one. So thank you for that. Really appreciate it. Hopefully I'll remember to use it and bring it, but remember to use it now. So hopefully you all appreciate that. I feel a little weird having something hanging right here because I'm not used to it, but I wasn't used to carrying around a tripod and holding my phone up and out in front of my face, and now I am, so, you know, progress. Oh my gosh, I should have just gotten scissors. 10 hours later. Funny story about this ring. It's fake, and I bought it for when I was bartending so that people didn't hit on me. But like, look how pretty. Manifesting. Maybe not this exact cut though, because I like a different one now, but also a good thing for if you are at a bar and you just don't want to talk to men. Maybe men will still have the audacity to talk to you with that on, but then you really know they're a red flag. So, still does you a favor. So this is the final product. We have earrings, then the more bigger earrings that don't fit on my earring holder over here, and rings, and then we have bracelets and my great-grandma's pins and memorabilia, and Taylor Swift friendship bracelets, and my watch and other bracelets as well. And then I sorted them by metal, if that wasn't obvious. So that's nice. I love that this is gonna look just a little cleaner over here. Oh, I missed a couple bracelets. Go through the darkest of days, heavens. Okay, anyways, that is my little jewelry box situation. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this random decision of mine, but it feels good to have things kind of organized. Just finished my skincare and now I am going to go to bed. This is where I'm going to leave you with this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and I'm thankful you're here. Until next time.